Hello, students. How are you? Today's topic is physical fitness, wellness, and lifestyle. Now, we have already done two chapters, first and second. Now, this is our third chapter physical fitness, wellness, and lifestyle. Meaning of physical fitness means the capacity to do the routine work without any fatigue or exertion, and after doing the work the person has power to do some more work and recovery is quicker. Okay. Second is wellness. Wellness is the capacity of an individual by which is he leads a balanced life. Third is lifestyle, a way of life or style of living that reflects the attitudes and values of a person or group. ओके फिजिकल फिटनेस क्या है कि बिना किसी थकावट के या बिना किसी अगर एक्स्ट्रा लोड में जो हम काम कर भी जाते हैं तो हम उसको जल्दी से रिकवरी कर लेते हैं अगर हमारी बॉडी जो है वो बिल्कुल फिट है तो वेलनेस में क्या है हम बैलेंस लाइफ को जो है वो लीड करते हैं लाइफस्टाइल में जो है वो एटीट्यूड जो है मतलब हमारी जो डेली लाइफ है उसमें जो भी कुछ हम कर रहे हैं हमारे बॉडी पर वो इफ़ेक्ट डालता है अगर हम एक्सरसाइज करते हैं तो हमारी बॉडी फिट रहती है नहीं करते हैं उस तरह से हमारी बॉडी जो है वो कहीं ना कहीं वो थकी हुई रहती है या फिर इलनेस जो है वो हो जाती है ठीक है नेक्स्ट इज importance of physical fitness sharp mind to live long and healthy life enjoy life and more keep body fat off boost energy strengthening and stamina make bones strong improve your mood okay next is importance of wellness first is active life without stress improve health become active member of society good citizens achieve optimum growth and development healthy and happy life importance of wellness now next is importance of healthy lifestyle improves abilities enabling you better cope up with stress reduce health problem next is components of physical fitness there are five physical fitness components they are directly or indirectly related to each other components of physical fitness are first is strength ability to overcome resistance ठीक है second is endurance ability to resistant fatigue and third is speed ability to move the body as fast as possible five phase flexibility is the range of movement of joints five phase coordinates abilities of an individual to do various relative activities properly as well as efficiently okay now, one by one, we will discuss. First is strength ability to overcome resistance. First is dynamic strength can be called tonic strength. Second is static strength is also called asymmetric strength. ठीक है इसके बाद maximum strength to act against maximum strength. Fourth is explosive strength, the ability to overcome resistance with high speed. Now next second point is endurance ability to resistance fatigue. Short term endurance and aerobic example football. Long term endurance aerobic cardiovascular endurance. Speed ability to move the body as fast as possible. Reaction time to respond immediately after the stimulus acceleration to reach maximum speed speed movement quickness to complete action okay fourth point is flexibility is the range of movement of joints passive ability to movement with greater distance with external help active flexibility ability to do movement for longer distance without external help first is static flexibility required when a sports person remains in static position example walking sitting dynamic flexibility needed for long movement with greater distance when an individual is in motion 5 is coordinative abilities of an individual to do various relative activities properly as well as efficiently. Okay. Next topic is components of wellness. Components of wellness. Okay. First is social wellness, ability to interact with people. Second, spiritual wellness, provide meaning and direction in life. Third is physical wellness, ability to carry out daily tasks. Five is environmental wellness, ability to promote health measures that improve standard of living. Fifth is occupational wellness, a balance between work and leisure. Sixth is intellectual wellness, ability to learn and use information effectively. Sixth is emotional wellness, ability to control stress, emotions appropriately. Now, next is healthy lifestyle prevents health trends. Preventing health trends lifestyle through lifestyle changes. First is sufficient sleep. Second is prevention of injury. Third is quit for smoking. Fourth is limit TV watching. Fifth is maintaining health weight. Sixth is health eating habits. Seventh is limiting the amount of alcohol. Or eighth is regular physical exercise. Okay. Now, next point is components of physical lifestyle. Components of physical lifestyle. First is proper rest. Proper rest and sleep provides freshness and active life. ठीक है. Second is physical activities. Regular physical exercises help in maintaining healthy weight, strength, and flexibility of body. Third is safe and clean environment improves wellness. Fourth is health habits, keeping ourselves clean and safe from diseases. Five is stress management techniques like yoga, practicing spiritual guidance. Six is socialization, good social relations with his fellows and neighbors. Eight is balanced diets. Unbalanced diet cause chronic problems, whereas balanced diet improves good health. Eight is medical checkup, regular medical checkup, and prevent medical problems. Now, your chapter is complete. Do question answer in copy daily with date wise. Okay. Now, be healthy and be good in your life. Thank you.